Hi, everyone. Today I'm going to dive deeper into the Texas Math Solutions Support Center to give you a closer look at one of my favorite sections, implementation support. Before we jump in, I'd like to invite you to pause and jot down some thoughts. What are the biggest challenges you face as you're implementing the Texas Math Solution? If you could pick one to highlight as your most pressing desire for support, what would that be? As I work with teachers all over Texas, I have found there are some common themes among teachers when I ask this question. And our Texas Math Solution Support Center is usually my go-to place to find resources to address these challenges. Remember, you can access the Support Center by visiting carnegielearning.com/texas-help. Once there, you can select educators, and you'll find that the resources are divided into 6 sections. Today, we'll be focusing on my favorite section, implementation support. As you can see, even in just this one section, there are numerous articles designed to give you the tools you need so you can feel confident as you facilitate lessons and to help you guide your students to become great mathematical thinkers. It can be easy to get overwhelmed by how much information is here, so allow me to highlight some of my favorite articles from this section. A collaborative classroom is a great starting point if you want more ideas for establishing that atmosphere in your class. And this reflective teacher tool can give you some questions to ask yourself to gauge how it's going. This quick tips for pacing has a lot of great suggestions. If you want a deeper look at lesson internalization, you'll find the details here. There are also examples from our Carnegie Learning PL team where we have facilitated lessons, and you can see how we have annotated the teacher's implementation guide as we did the math to prepare. If you're engaged in long-range planning and you want to have some quick information about what's coming up in each topic, check out these topic anchor charts. Here, you'll also find the link to our Story of the Mathematics article. We have videos describing the arc of the mathematics across the modules in each course. If you want tips for developing readers, take a look at these reading strategies to engage all students. And finally, no matter whether you teach inclusion classes, emergent bilingual students, on-level gen ed classes, or something else, I can almost guarantee you'll find some helpful strategies from our webinar, Supporting Students of Special Populations. I've only spoken about a handful of things that are available on the implementation support section of the Support Center. I hope you found something valuable and you'll take some time to explore more. So, what is something you're thinking differently about? Did you learn something new? Is there something you're still wondering about? As you're reflecting on those questions, remember we are here to help. As you reach out, you can reach out via one of the emails on the screen or visit the Texas Math Solutions Support Center at carnegielearning.com/texas-help. Thank you.